Hi, I'll be helping you today in reading a parabola from a graph and finding the equation of this parabola, which is an equation of the parabola shown in the companion diagram. Y equals negative x squared plus 20, and choice B, C, D. First of all, this parabola has a maximum point here. This will tell us that the x squared, the coefficient of the x squared, is a negative number. And that's right, everything here is negative number. We cannot eliminate anything. Number two, I see there's the y-intercept here is the origin, 0 and 0. The origin, 0 and 0. This means when x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Let's substitute here. When x equals to 0, y is going to equal to 20. It doesn't work. When x equals to 0, 0, 0, of course 10 times 0 is 0, negative whatever times 0 squared equals 0, plus 100, so that means B is not right. C, x is 0, 0 and 0, y is 0, same thing here, so either choice C or choice D. Another way to find the best choice here, not another way, we can see there's the axis of symmetry in this one here equals 10. And we know the axis of symmetry, the formula for the axis of symmetry is negative b over 2a. Negative b over 2a. Let's do this one here. The b in this case equals to negative 20. The b is the coefficient of the x, and the a equals negative 1. If we do this here, so we got x equals negative b, that's going to be negative times negative 20 over negative 2 times negative 1, 2a, 2 times negative 1. That's going to be positive 20, negative is positive, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Your final is going to be negative 10. But the axis of symmetry here is positive 10. This one will not work. C doesn't work. Why? Because the axis of symmetry is a negative number. Get another color. Let's try choice D here. Choice D, y equals negative x squared plus 20x. Axis of symmetry, A equals to negative 1 and B equals to 20. X equals negative b over 2a. This means x equals negative b over 2 times a. B is 20, negative 20. 2 times a is negative 1. Alright, so let's erase this part here. We'll get negative 20 over negative 2. Negative 20 over negative 2 is positive 10. And that is the same as this one here. It is a choice D. Another way to do this part is the graphing calculator. Or what I'm going to do, I'm just going to try to graph the last one, and you're at home, you can try all of them. Negative x to the power of 2 plus 2, 0, x. Graph, of course, is going to be out of the graph here, because the x-axis and the y-axis from negative 10 to positive 10, each one of them. So you go to zoom 0, zoom fit. Okay, I need to zoom out a little bit. So zoom out to get more. Here you go. Now we got the maximum here. Let's find the maximum point. We know the maximum point, first of all, here is 10 and 100. This is the maximum point. Okay, 10 and 100. Let's do this here. Is it going to be the same here or not? Second trace, you need to go to the maximum. Press enter. Where is the left bound? It's already blinking here. Enter, right bound. You move your cursor to the right bound somewhere here on the right. Enter. And the maximum is somewhere here. So the maximum is 10 and 100, and that's the same thing we have here. Okay, and also you might, if you don't know how to, or forget about the axis of symmetry, you might use any point here and substitute it for x and y to find the answer. There are many ways to do this, to solve this question. I have two different methods here to do it for you. Work well.